Tips to build strong bonds with your children. In this Happy Parents Week, I hereby give you few tips to build strong bonds with your children. 1. Spend quality time together. Engage in activities they enjoy, like playing games, cooking, or sports. 2. Active listening. Give your undivided attention and show interest in their thoughts and feelings. Show physical affection, hugs and kisses to release oxytocin, strengthening your bond. 4. Create traditions. Establish special rituals like family game or bedtime stories. 5. Support their passions. Encourage and celebrate their interests and accomplishments. 6. Be present. Put away distractions and focus on the moment you're sharing. 7. Validate their emotions. Recognize and accept their feelings, teaching emotional intelligence. 8. Set clear boundaries. Establishing rules and consequences helps build trust and respect. 9. Show interest in their life. Ask open-ended questions and listen attentively to their responses. Apologize when needed. Demonstrate accountability and show that you value your relationship. 11. Make memories. Plan special activities that create lasting memories. 12. Consistency and reliability. Be dependable and follow through on commitments. 13. Show physical touch. Hold hands or fist bumps to release oxytocin. 14. Support their independence. Encourage self-reliance and celebrate their growth. 15. Practice forgiveness. Forgive them and work towards understanding and moving forward. Remember, building strong bonds takes time, effort, and patience. By following these tips, you can nurture a lifelong connection with your children. Have a nice week. Thank you all.